These these watches have the day date on them, and I've done this before, but I thought I'd take this opportunity to do it again. Here's this little booklet, and that's real helpful. Just bear with me here. To set the day and the date, I'm going to go ahead and read this, and then go ahead and do it, but then I'm going to leave an image of this in the video so that you can see it. To set the day, pull out the winding stem, turn the hands counterclockwise until the correct day appears in the day window. Alright, so we pull the stem out. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're turning the hands counterclockwise. Okay, there, it switched over. I'm not sure if the camera caught that or not, but it's switched over. And then, well, the instructions say to bring it down here to approximately the 6:30 spot. Okay, so here it says, after correct date appears in the window, continue turning hands counterclockwise to approximately 6:30 position. So that's why we did that. Alright, let's go to step 2. Set the date. From the 6:30 position, turn the hands clockwise to the 12 o'clock. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So this time we're going to go clockwise here to the okay, 12 o'clock. Alright, let's see here. From the 6:30 position, turn the hands clockwise to 12 o'clock. Date will change at approximately 12 o'clock midnight. Okay, there it is. It just changed to 28. And then it says to return it to 6:30. Let's see. Then turn the hands counterclockwise back to 6:30 position. Okay, so now we're going to turn the hands counterclockwise back to the 6:30 position. Alright, back to the 6:30 position. Repeat this operation until correct date appears in the date window. So we would continue to do that until the date appears in the date window. Okay, we notice here that the date is on the 28th. So if we want it to be the 29th, we just repeat that. We go this time clockwise to the 12 o'clock position. Okay, it changed over to 29. Okay, then according to the instructions, once it does that, at least the way I read the instructions, you go back to the 6:30 position. And that's how I would read that right here. That's necessary to make the date change. Then turn the hands counterclockwise back to the 6:30 position. Repeat this operation until correct date appears in the date window. So evidently, to change the date, you bring it all the way up here, clockwise, and then you bring it back down counterclockwise, back just like we've been doing. And you do that over and over until the right date shows up. Okay, then set the time. After the correct day and date appear in the window, turn the hands counterclockwise to the correct PM time. So we would turn the hands counterclockwise, the correct PM time. Okay. Alright. Yes, let's say we wanted it 4:29. That's what we would do. So that's what you do if you're setting it for PM, and then you do the similar thing for if you're setting it for AM. Okay. And then it talks about, let's see here. Let's see, to continue, AM. Push the winding stem and watch and ensure full. Okay, good. Alright, so that's the instructions on how to set the time. I hope I did a good enough job on that. At least I tried. I'm going to go ahead and leave that exact picture image in the video so that you can just pause it and read through that. Okay, well, thank you for watching our videos. My wife and I are Christians, and all of our videos are family friendly and Christian friendly. If you want to, it'd be nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Alright, well, thank you for watching and have a good day.